It has taken over 300 million years for the Earth to build up our supply of fossil fuels, and we've burned through them at such a rate that we are now faced with a momentous and global challenge. All of a sudden, we now need to harvest the same amount of energy we consume in real time, as well as displacing the carbon dioxide we've already released. Because we can't always guarantee that the wind will blow and the sun will shine, renewable energy will always be scarce. Buildings account for 40% of our total energy use, and over 90% of our future building stock is already built. Most of these buildings are either not performing as they were designed or require urgent energy-efficient renovation. Energy wastage increases the amount of scarce and expensive renewable energy we need. EnergiRaven's purpose is to help building owners achieve their net zero targets quickly and cost-effectively. EnergiRaven's process is to share knowledge, experiences and tools to cut energy waste in order to reduce the energy performance gap of our buildings. As a first step, building owners need to calculate their energy performance gap by comparing the actual energy consumption of their buildings versus a suitable benchmark. Once the worst performing buildings have been identified, the operation should then be optimized using the existing infrastructure. Lessons learned from this process will inform the next phase of the journey to net zero. Net zero starts with energy waste.